Do you want to make someone fall for you? Do you want to know a secret technique that can make anyone feel more attracted to you in minutes? If you answered yes, then you are in luck. In this article, I will reveal to you a psychological trick that can boost your appeal and make your target like you more. This trick is based on a phenomenon called attribution error, which is when people confuse the cause of their emotions with something else. By using this trick, you can make your target think that you are the reason for their excitement, and they will associate you with positive feelings. Sounds amazing, right? Well, keep listening and I will show you how to do it. To boost someone's attraction to you, you can share with them an activity that makes them feel very intense sensations. For example, you can take them to a haunted house and explore the scary rooms with them. When you are in the house, they will feel emotions like terror or thrill, which will affect their body. Their heart will race, their skin will sweat, or they will have more adrenaline. These are the same things that happen when they feel romantic or sexual excitement, and their brain will confuse you for the source of how they feel. This is called an error of attribution, and it will make them more drawn to you. This is a very effective technique, and you should be careful and ethical when you use it.